Owodaily review and registration procedure. Is Owodaily real or is it scam? Is it legit or scam? Okay, can you actually make some money through the platform? Okay, so that is exactly what we are going to be discussing in this video. Hi everyone, this is Owodaily and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you everything you need to know about the Owodaily platform. Okay, so first, what is Owodaily all about? Owodaily is a platform that connects advertisers to large number of people that want to perform tasks and get paid. Okay, so Owodaily is just like a connector. It is a marketplace where people can go. Like if you are a business, you want to grow your followers on Instagram, or you want to grow your YouTube channel or your Twitter page, so you go to the Owodaily and you place a task, you place a job there, and the users will come, the promoters they will come there, they will do the task or help you to do those micro and you pay them for doing it, and it is a win-win. The advertisers they will get results and they will be happy with the result. Their business is growing. The Owodaily we get advertisers and the promoters, the people that are doing the job, they got paid for the tasks. Okay, so for you to start using the Owodaily platform to make money, you will need something. The first one is the Owodaily account, which you will be required to make a payment of 3,000 naira for you to register and activate an account on the platform. Okay, apart from that, you will need an internet enabled device like a smartphone or laptop or whatever device for you to be able to be doing the task. Okay, so and you will need maybe 1 or 2 hours daily for you to log in and do all those tasks. So if you have all those 3 things, you can be able to make at least maybe 2,000 naira daily on the platform. Okay, so let's get into the details of how you can register and you start making money on the platform. So I have a link in the description to this video. So that is the first step. You click on the link and it will take you to the registration page. You register and you make payment of 3,000 naira for the activation of your account. So once you have done that, you now log in and you go to the job section and you click on the my job tab, and you will see the available jobs. Okay, so click on the available job tab, and you will see all the jobs that are available for the day. So that is what you will be doing every day. You log in, you go to the job section, you click on the available jobs, and you see all the jobs that you can do for that day. You know the tasks. Yeah, you will see plenty of them. Okay, so if you scroll through the list, you will see the ones that interest you and you click apply. Okay, once you click apply, you will see the details of what you are expected to do and how you can upload the proof of work done, so that the advertisers they can approve the work and you get paid. Okay, so apart from the tasks based earnings, there are other ways you can earn on the Owodaily platform that are not necessarily have to be based on task. Okay, so you have the affiliate program, Owodaily affiliate program. So in the affiliate program, it is a two-tier affiliate program. On level 1, you get paid 1,600 naira per referral. On level 2, you'll be paid 200 naira per indirect referral. So another way to earn on the platform is through partnership. So for you to be accepted into the partnership program, you have to be a registered business. So you register with CAC. You show them proof of registration and proof of address. Okay, they will license you to be distributing their gift card in your area. So once anybody wants to join the program, they can buy the gift card from you and you make your commission. So that is how to earn some additional income apart from task on the Owodaily platform. So my personal review of the platform now. So I've been on the platform for quite some months, and I can tell you the platform is very legit and they pay. Okay, the only thing is some people are very lazy. They don't want to do anything before they actually get paid or make money. So if you are the type of person, this platform is not for you. So if you have time, okay, in fact, the tasks are just few minute tasks. So if you don't have the time, you can register and use the phone to your kids so you don't do those tasks, okay, and you get paid. Okay, so once you follow the simple instruction, okay, maybe follow this account on Instagram or like this post on Instagram, follow this, small tasks. They are just what you already know how to do, so you don't need to start learning too much before you start earning on the platform. Okay, so it's very legit, it's real, and it's paying, and you actually could make maybe 2,000 naira or more daily if you combine all the ways of earning, not just only tasks, the affiliates, the partnership, and the rest. So click on the link in the description to the video to join the Owodaily platform. So, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay tuned.